Maybe this box was a bad idea. Hello everybody, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. My channel is a few different things. At this point, I vlog vacations, I vlog food, and I just recently added unboxings to my channel. It's very green, so I apologize for any lighting that may bother you at this point, or I don't know, it's just very green, so just bear with me until I figure out if I want to keep this part on my channel or not. But with that being said, we are going to dig into Lootcrate. So this box is mainly for my husband and my son, but I do like the things that come in it. Sometimes when my husband gets t-shirts, I will wear them. I don't know, I just think it's a really cool box. I genuinely like this box. So with that being said, let's dig into it, shall we? Okay, so you open it up and it looks like the theme is Hulk. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing here is this t-shirt. I am not sure what this is from. My son would know though. So this this shirt is in my son's size, so that would be for him. I really have no idea what that is. I am not seeing a card in here that says the prices of these things. I usually don't open this box. This is usually a box that my husband and my son opens, but I figured I would go ahead and just put it on this channel since I do sometimes enjoy the box as well. But I'm not seeing any prices or a breakdown of the prices anywhere, and I don't know how much monthly this box is. But okay, so moving on. The next thing in this box is a gift certificate to HelloFresh, a $60 gift card. I don't know. I mean, that's fair. I will say we have tried HelloFresh, and it was one of our least favorite food subscription services. But I don't know. With a $60 gift card, maybe we'll give it a shot again. I am also seeing in this box something that has to do with Transformers. And then there's also a card flying around there in the back. Let's open that up and see what that is. I guess they're just like collector cards. Okay, so that would be for my son also. Okay, so this is just a black box. I don't know. Let's open it up. Let's try not to box cut myself like I did. Okay. All right, so this is a glass. I also don't know who this person is. I really wish that the box was actually revolved around the Hulk, because I think I would know a little bit more about these things if they were revolving around the Hulk. But so this is just a glass. I'm sure it'll go up in my cabinet. I mean, I don't know anything about this. Maybe this box was a bad idea. I don't know. But it's a cup. It's a glass. So not super excited. Okay, this is a Lootcrate pin from Alita. We saw this movie. It was a really good movie, but I mean, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with a pin. I don't know. I mean, my husband doesn't wear these things. We usually pass these sort of things along to my son. I don't know what he probably just throws them in a drawer. Who knows? Okay, so the only thing in here that is actually related to the Hulk is this, and it's a 3D comic standee. So let's open this up. All right, I got the box open. So, and this is
Smash Metal Mod!
Oops. Sorry I dropped you guys. Okay. So again, it's just a 3D thing of the Hulk, and that'll probably just sit on my son's dresser with all the rest of his stuff. So this box looks like it was way more geared to my 16-year-old son than it was to my husband, or even, I mean, because even I usually get excited about a couple of the things that are in the box. You know, I'm at least like, oh, that's cool. And I'm not really getting that vibe from this box. Not really. So, I don't know. I mean, generally, like if this was a different food subscription service, I would probably be excited about this. But since it is HelloFresh, my experience with HelloFresh is that it's not really so fresh. Like I've actually gotten rotten food in my HelloFresh box, which was like, done, over with. So, I don't know. That was Loot Crate. If you liked this unboxing, you know what to do. Bye.